In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Shopify Customer Support. When you're running an online store, sometimes you hit a snag that you just can't solve on your own. That's where Shopify Customer Support comes in. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to contact Shopify support, the different ways you can reach them, and how to get the fastest help possible. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard here at shopify.com. Logging in first is important because it lets Shopify automatically pull up your store details when you reach out for help. Once logged in, scroll down to the bottom of your admin dashboard and click Support, or go directly to help.shopify.com here. This will open the Shopify Help Center. Type your question or problem in the search bar. Shopify has AI-powered resources and articles that often solve common issues right away. If the guides don't answer your question, you'll see an option to contact support at the bottom. Shopify offers multiple ways to reach support in 2025. Live chat, 24/7. The fastest way to get help in real time in here. Email support, good for detailed issues that aren't urgent. Phone support region specific, available in certain countries. You'll see the option if it applies to your region. Shopify Community Forum, a great place to ask questions and get advice from other store owners. Pick the method that works best for you. When you connect with an agent, explain your issue clearly and provide any screenshots, order numbers, or error messages if needed. This helps the support team resolve your problem faster. Shopify keeps a history of your support conversations in your account. You can revisit these at any time for follow-ups or reference. Pro tip for 2025. Shopify has recently improved its AI chatbot assistant, which can now handle more advanced troubleshooting before you even reach a human agent. Using the chatbot first can often save you time, but you can always ask to be transferred to a live agent if needed. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.